How can I create a TBH Instagram story?
Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into an exciting topic: how to create a TBH, to be honest, Instagram story. This is a popular social media trend where users ask their followers for honest feedback or opinions. So, if you're looking to engage your audience in a fun and interactive way, stick around and learn how it's done.
What is a TBH Instagram story?
A TBH Instagram story is a fun and engaging way to interact with your followers on Instagram. Essentially, you create a story inviting your followers to give their honest opinions about a topic, or even about you. You could ask them to comment on your latest post, tell you what they think of a new trend, or simply ask for feedback about something you've been doing. This kind of interaction not only builds connection but also helps you understand your audience better.
How do I start a TBH Instagram story?
Here are the steps to create a TBH Instagram story. 1. Open your Instagram app. You'll need to start on your home screen. Here, you'll find the camera icon in the top left corner, which is your portal to creating stories. Tap on it to get started. 2. Choose your background. Once you're in the story mode, you can either take a new picture, record a video, or choose from your gallery by swiping up. 3. Create your TBH text. Tap on the icon at the top right corner to start adding text. Write something like TBH time. Drop your honest opinions below. 4. Add the question sticker. Next, tap on the square smiley face sticker icon at the top. This will open a selection of different stickers. Choose the questions sticker, which allows your followers to give their responses. You might want to type in, "Write your TBH here," in the text box of the question sticker. 5. Post your story. Once you're happy with your TBH story, you can add it to your stories by tapping your story in the bottom left corner. Remember, Instagram stories are only visible for 24 hours, so you'll want to check back often to see what your followers have to say.
How do I respond to TBH responses?
After you post your TBH story, your followers will start sending in their responses. You can view these responses in your notifications, which are accessible through your home screen. You can then choose whether to share these responses publicly on your story or respond privately. Remember, the goal of a TBH story is to foster engagement and dialogue, so try to respond to as many comments as possible, or at least give them a like to show that you've read and appreciated them. That's it. Now you know how to create a TBH Instagram story. It's a simple and fun way to interact with your followers and get to know them better. So go ahead and give it a try. You'll be surprised at how much engagement you can get from such a simple activity. Happy Instagramming!